There is this disease, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned us about it, which is suspicion. Because of this suspicion, there are so many hatredness, rumor, and disunity among the communities. Because of this suspicion, marriages have been torn apart, friendships have been lost, and so many communities have fallen apart because someone think of somebody doing something wrong without having any base in it. Later on, they find out that this particular thinking is wrong. That's why the Prophet said, "Iyakum wa dhanna," beware of suspicion, for inna dhanna akdhabul hadith. Indeed, for suspicion is one of the untruthful speech, one of the falseful tales. That's what Allah says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu jitanibu kathiran min adh-dhann. Allah says, "O you who believe, avoid much suspicion. Inna ba'da dhanna." Indeed, some suspicion are sin. So brothers and sisters, if you want happiness in your marriages, happiness in your friendship, happiness in your community, stay away from this disease, which is suspicion and doubting each other.